Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you a beautiful home decorative item using newspaper. So as you can see in the video, like this is called Zoomer. So with the theme of Christmas color combination, I have made this Zoomer. So I used red and white as a major color combination. It is very easy process but little time taking. So you can make it at home. The process I will show you now. So initially we will take a half sheet of newspaper. Usually for the newspaper craft we will use half in this sheet itself, and we will make a very thin kind of a sticks. But for this zoomer we have to make little broader sticks itself, because after this we will be making a dome out of those sticks. So for the dome we definitely require little thicker paper stick itself. So like this slowly you have to wrap the stick. While wrapping, all that you have to take care is like both the sides it should be in the same size. So finally at the corners, with the help of a fevicol, you have to fold it and stick it like this. So once you've done the sticks, you have to just apply a pressure and make it like uh, widen kind of a stick like this. So if you see, it is about half inch and above size it will come. So this much size we require. And now from one corner we should start rounding it like this. So in this rounding process you have to remember one thing: it should be very tight enough, and second thing, you should avoid the gaps in the each round. See, you will find little difficulty in the middle part, because middle part the paper will be little thicker. So hence you have to apply little more pressure to that, and then you have to do it like this. So see that there won't be any gaps, because if the gaps forms, then you can't take out the dome shape finally. So once it is done, you have to just take the second one like this and go ahead wrapping that also. So with these two sticks, you can make a moderate size of a dome, which you can see like which you saw in the initial of this video. That size particularly you can make using with two sticks. So like this. So once it is done, you just has to apply the glue once again and fix it. Now we have to take out a dome out of it. So for the dome purpose, we have to just apply pressure slowly and press the rings one after another. The round papers one after another, if you slowly press inside, so automatically outer part you can form a nice dome. So now you can make out why I have told you to take half inch, because half inch means the paper will not come out. Otherwise if it is a lean paper, the dome shape will shape out. Now we have to apply uh, thoroughly the paint, whatever paint you whatever color combination you would like to do, that paint. So for the first coat, while you are applying the paint, you can even include fevi glue also, I mean fevicol also in the paint. So together you can mix and apply this paint. This is the first coat actually. So after that you can go for a second coat also. So I am planning 12 number lines zoomer. So the same way we have to make 12 such shapes actually. So here you can see I have made 12 such shapes, and I have given the second coating also. It is dried properly. And now I am going to decorate it with the small and bigger size kundans. See here, if you see, I have made the bigger dome also. For this dome I have used about 24 strips, that paper strips actually. So this size, like it is a customized, like you however size you want, you can go ahead with that. So like this we have made the shapes now. So I am going to give a very simple decoration using this small and bigger kundans. As I told you, I am making with the theme of Christmas festival. So I am using only two color combinations here, red and white. finally uh, our all decorative domes pieces are ready here. So bigger dome have decorated like this, and the smaller domes also. I've even kept the flower caps also already. So now the joining part. So for the joining purpose, initially we have to do the markings. So for one bigger dome, we are planning 12 small lines. So first initially we have to take the total circular like measurement of the bigger dome. It is coming around 19 inches. So 19 we have to in this distance we are going to make 12 lines. So 19 by 12, around 1.5 inch of distance we have to leave for each line. So initially we will do the marking. So keeping a tape here, as I told you, about 1.5 inch of distance it will come. So inside of the dome with a marker we will be doing these markings. So like this we have to keep all the distance markings initially. So this distance is nothing but our line distance, each line distance. So for this dome I have planned 12. So like this inside I have marked all the line spaces. Now we have to make the lines. Now attaching. So for the attaching purpose, here I'm using a nylon wire and few pearls and crystals. So as I told you, I'm doing it with the color combination of red and white. So initially with the knot, we have to take one pearl so that it will act like a stopper for us. So down we will be keeping like this. In the upper part, I am just doing this format like 5 pearls and one red crystal. Now with the help of the same needle, we will be attaching it to the first one marking. So this attachment from the down to upwards like this. Then just go ahead with doing twice, thrice the same wire, and then give a fine knots. And while you cut it with the help of a lighter, you can little fire it and lock it at the top. So like how we have to attach the first line. So one line is ready here. So when we move further like second line, for the second line same format. So as it will come by step, what we will do, the same format of 5 pearls and one crystal extra whatever is there, that we have to keep one more extra pattern. See, now you can make out we have formed that step by step like this. The distance has also come. So same wise we have to do all over like all the lines. Now I have done almost all 11 lines. To just show you, I am holding the 12th line. See like this. Here third line 3 pearl stands like that, fourth line like that. Total 11 lines are completed. Now the final 12th line I am going to do. So finally we have completed our 12 lines. Now in the upper part we have to make a like hanging part. So for that hanging part approximately about 4 to 5 inches design or format we should plan. So I'm just planned a simple format using a little bigger size pearl like with the flower caps and a bigger pearl, then one crystal. So with this format, about 4 to 5 inches, I'm giving this format itself. So this will come as a hanging part, upper hanging part. See, like this, a simple design. So finally we have to attach this silver ring for a hanging purpose. I give a thorough knots to this so that it will hold all the weight, because that is, as it is a newspaper and we have given a fine coatings of once twice with the color, fabric color, so it will be like kind of a weighing only. So we have to take a little thicker steel ring kind of things, hanger rings. So like this. So that's how finally our zoomer is ready here. As I told you, it's a combination of white and red. So based on your interior like color combinations, where you can go with the multicolor also. So you have an option to choose your own color combination for this particular craft. So see how beautifully with the 12 lines I have made this craft. So hope my explanation was clear and it is easy to make. Please give it a trial and don't forget to mention your comments if you like the video. Don't forget to share the video. And if you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel also. Thank you so much for watching.